Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you on how to register for IRS e-services so you can access professional tax tools online. First, open the official IRS website and go to the e-services section to begin registration. Next, click on Create Account and select the type of user you are, such as tax professional or business representative. After that, enter your personal details, including name, email address, and contact information carefully. You will then need to verify your identity using security questions and a financial account or phone verification. Once verified, create a secure username and strong password for your IRS e-services account. Next, set up multi-factor authentication for extra security. After completing registration, you may need approval before full access is granted. Finally, log in again and explore the dashboard, and you will be ready to use IRS e-services. Subscribe to the channel for more videos.